Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to change folder color in the Files app on iOS 26 on your iPhone and iPad. With the introduction of iOS 26, Apple has brought a fresh level of customization to the Files app by allowing users to change folder colors on your iPhone and iPad. So whether you want to organize your work documents by color or simply personalize your file system, this new feature is for you. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, we have to launch the Apple Files app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to head over to the location where your folder is located. And then you have to long press on the folder. After that, you have to choose the Customize Folder option in the contextual menu. And then you have to tap on the Tags option. After that, you have to choose the preferred color for your folder. If needed, you can also add a suitable tag for the folder. And in the end, make sure to tap on the check mark button at the top, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily change the folder colors in the Files app on your iPhone and iPad to your heart's liking. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it to perfectly organize your files or folders so that they're always in line with your preference. And I'll catch you up in the next one.